Hello, welcome Ishan to Masterclass Space interview session. First of all, congratulations on getting computer science in BITS Goa campus.
Hello.
Yeah. So, Ishan, I would
Ah,
love to have your informal introduction for the juniors who are aspirants of BITS.
yes, so I am Ishan Ambekar. I'm from Pune and I am currently in BITS Goa CSE.
Very nice, very nice. So, basically, Ishan is enjoying the cool breeze of Goa
Yeah,
beside beach. And now I believe you must be quite relaxed after 2 years of rigorous preparation.
yeah.
So,
Quite relaxed right now.
so
And
just want to know
yeah,
basically how your 2 years were and how many hours of study you used to put every day.
I can't really say because during the 2 years, I don't know how many hours each day I did, but approximately 8 hours a day maybe.
Oh my God, 8 hours a day. And how
Yeah.
many hours you are putting probably now?
Now, no.
Okay, 8 hours probably even if you do in 1 week, that would be great.
No.
So good to know. So Ishan, basically we have seen that your scores have moved a lot from session 1 to session 2 from 275 to 330 marks. That's a
Yeah.
huge jump.
Hmm.
And you have taken basically Masterclass Space BITSAT test series. So want to know basically how helpful Masterclass Space test series has been in your BITSAT preparation.
Yeah, the test series actually helped me because during the first session, I was more focused on the JEE advanced preparation. And because of that, I could not actually give my best for the first BITSAT session.
Oh.
But after the advanced one, when I started to actually focus on the BITSAT preparation, the masterclass series helped me in the time management part of it because that is a huge part in the bedside preparation because the level of questions obviously is different and the type of questions is also different, but you have to manage your time there. So that was quite a big help.
So just want to know basically how relevant was the test series? Means basically what marks you were getting in our test series. And I believe you took the test series after test session 1.
Yes, yes. I
And
started from I think second week of June till
uh,
like I did the test series for 2 weeks before
correct.
the actual bedside session.
So basically, what marks you were getting in our test series? Just if I
I
want to
don't
compare, basically some approximate marks which you
approximately 310 or something like around that number maybe. And yeah, so the type of questions and the relevance of questions was quite similar to the actual BitSat session, which I gave in the during the session two. So that was also helpful. And yeah, like yeah,
very nice. No, I do understand basically. So that's something which so 310 to 330. So basically, somewhere approximately you are getting almost the same marks which you have. In fact, you have gotten in more marks
yeah,
in real.
yeah,
That was
mm,
quite helpful.
mm,
Generally, people talk about analysis. Have you used the analysis of our test series? What's your comment on that?
yeah. The analysis is also good because they that also showed how much time I'm giving to a particular subject or how much time I should how much I should improve on that yeah, with respect to my speed and solving some particular questions. So the analysis was also quite helpful, and like again, the time management factor is a huge deal in the BitSat preparation. So like how much time I should be spending on some other subject rather than wasting time on a difficult question has also helped me during my preparation.
Very nice, very nice. Now, since you have done with your 2 years of preparation, got through JEE, BITSAT, what's your advice to the juniors who are aspirants of BITSAT, BITS-Pilani basically? I'm talking specifically for BITS-Pilani. How should they prepare basically? Because the pattern of BITSAT is little different from JEE.
Yeah.
So, if their aim is to get into BITS-Pilani, how they should excel it?
For me, I started doing my main aim at first was like the JEE, like IITs and NITs,
Hmm?
but the reservation factor there and all the overall competition this like during my year was too high. So, but during my JEE preparation, I think preparing for JEE and then giving BITSAT is easier than preparing for just BITSAT. Because in BITSAT, like you
Mm-hmm.
can always prepare for the BITSAT questions and start your time management preparation from before.
Mm-hmm.
But after preparing for JEE, the basics are much solid, I think. And then you can work on the time management factor later, because
Mm-hmm.
that can always be like that can always be improved in a short span of time. Once you like make a map and make a proper work map of your what you're doing and what you are going to do in your actual exam. So I think that helped me quite a bit.
And English and logical reasoning, they are the two things which generally students do not prepare during their JEE preparation.
Yeah.
What is your recommendation on those?
Uh, for me, I think it was easier because I read a lot of books, and because of that, my reading speed and all is quite better compared to others. That's what I think.
Mm-hmm.
So reading books helps in the English department of the things, because even if I don't know the proper grammar rules, I know what when a question, when a sentence sounds right or when it doesn't sound right.
Mm-hmm.
So because of that intuitiveness, I think my English preparation was quite well.
Mm-hmm.
And the logic part of things, you can always do logical reasoning. There are logical reasoning Olympiads as well, and you can always prepare from that.
Mm-hmm.
And the level is quite similar to what comes in the actual BITSAT exam. So you can
Mm-hmm.
prepare for that in that ways, and you don't have to do a lot of extra work for that, because like either ways their weightage is similar to chemistry and physics, I think. Yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to also give certain amount of time, but not too much, to
Mm-hmm.
those two subjects.
I believe that's a good strategies to prepare for these English and logical reasoning.
Yeah, because the normal coachings don't usually prepare you for that. You have to do that yourself. But if you do that in the correct manner and for the correct amount of time, it shouldn't be a trouble.
I get it. So Ishan, now done with academics, you
Yes.
you 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 are in a bit relaxed state. So just want to know, basically you got CS also. What are your, what are your plans after, basically, if I see, though the clarity, mental clarity doesn't come so easily in the first year. But do you
Hmm.
have some plans, career goals which you want to opt after graduation?
I haven't really like thought about it that much, but I'm going to take my time in the first year to explore the all the aspects of it, and like joining the clubs, and just trying to get my footing in the college, and trying to work out what my likings are and where I can direct my career to. So I think I'm going to take the first year as like just testing the waters type of
Sting.
thing.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
I see.
and yeah, so I I play football as well, so I'm going to try to join that club as well.
I
So
see. I see.
competition is high, but let's see.
No, 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 no. Competition is high everywhere, and you made it
Yeah,
to one of the best branches in on campus. So no fear should be there now of
yeah,
competition. So good to know, basically. And so, what are clubs? Football is a sport. I believe there are many clubs. Have you
yeah.
explored a bit in which club or department you want to
Yeah,
go?
yeah, yeah. I thought about the literary and debate club. There is
Okay.
also a photography club here, which I haven't done a lot of photography, but I think it will be an interesting club to get into.
Hmm.
And then there is also quiz club, which I thought was quite interesting. Quiz club, and then the silver screen club, which like does screenings on the auditorium here
Hmm.
and shows movies on certain occasions. So
Hmm.
I think that was quite interesting as well. And there are some finance clubs as well, which I don't know much about it,
They are
but just to
technical
get
club.
into it.
They are knit technical club maybe.
Yeah, yeah, technical clubs.
I see. I see. No, good. So, by the way, what are your hobbies?
Hobbies, I like to read, I like to watch movies and see web series.
Oh my God, which web
And
series is the recent one?
recent one, I've, I've started watching the Three Body Problem right now.
Okay, so and what it
I,
is about?
it is about actually it's a science fiction type of thing. I first read the book about it and then I started watching the series.
Oh, okay.
I generally do that with many of the stuff I watch or read.
Hmm.
So yeah, it's like I just started it, and let's see where it goes. I know what happens in the book now, so bit of a spoiler. But sometimes they change the stories and the characters in the
Yeah, yeah.
web series. So
No,
we'll see.
I do understand that. I do understand that. Good, good, good. So, are you going to continue watching web series on campus also?
If I get the time right now,
Yeah,
I'm
I
not
feel
in
that.
the room. I'm not in the room much. I just come here to sleep at night.
What do you do whole day?
Well, during the weekdays, we have 8 to 6 classes and then breaks in between. So I usually go to the library to read or to like study, just to stay in touch with the curriculum.
Mhm.
And then after that, I usually go to play football or play something or the other. There are like table tennis tables in the common rooms or carom, and
Mhm, mhm.
I play that with my friends, and then after that dinner, and then just walk around the campus, do time pass, and
I
then come back.
know. No, no, I do understand. It is exciting time, of course, what to do even after coming to room.
Yeah,
It is the whole campus is your like your home only, by the way.
yeah,
It is just a room that you come. It's like your room is a bedroom, and whole campus is your home. So
yeah,
basically, no, I do understand that, and I wish you maximize the best usage of campus facilities, and of course outside campus that is also even beautiful. In
yeah,
your case, definitely.
yeah.
So good to know, Ishan. Thank you for joining us, and
Thank you.
wish you all the best. Have a great college life.
Yes.
Enjoy and study also a bit.
Yeah. Thank
Thank you so
you.
much. Bye bye,
Bye
dear.
bye.